kitchen a total mess. Burned his food, he's failed the cooking test. Sticks in his peanuts, rubber bands in his stew. He's got no clue, his culinary skills are askew. When he's stirring the pot, it's a recipe for disaster. His dishes taste awful, they'll leave you feeling sadder. No matter what he tries, it always goes wrong. He can't even make toast without setting off the smoke alarm. Hezekiah, he can cook a thing. He's got no talent in the kitchen, that's a fact we can't ignore. Hezekiah, always burning all his food, but we love him for it. He's cooking's a comedy show. Talent in the kitchen, that's a fact we can't ignore. Hezekiah, always burning all his food, but we love him for it. His cooking's a comedy show. He tries so hard, bless his heart, following recipes like they're fine art. But every meal's a mess, a flop. We watch and laugh, we can't stop. Hezekiah with the blender, it's a scary sight. Flour on the ceiling and batter taking flight. No gourmet meals, just chaos and fun. In Hezekiah's kitchen, the party's never done.